What's up YouTube? Today we are going over inverse proportion. If you've watched my previous video on direct proportion, then not only is this video going to be a piece of cake, it's going to be the most delicious, incredible piece of chocolate cake that you have ever had. Y is inversely proportional to x. Y equals 12 and x equals 10. So what does y equal when x equals 20? The only difference with this is when it says inversely, you put the k on top. That's it. When you see the word inversely, k on top. So y is inversely proportional to x. We do the same thing. Y proportional, and we do 1 over x. That's the big difference. Y inversely proportional, 1 over x. Y equals k on top x, and now we just do exactly the same as we've been doing. We substitute it in. 12 equals k over 10. Something divided by 10 equals 12. The best way to do it is times both sides by 10. So we do 12 times 10 is 120 equals k. This times this will tell you what k is. So k equals 120. Y equals 120 over x. What does y equal when x is 20? Y equals 120 over 20. 120 divided by 20, you can divide them both by 10. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So y equals 6. Let's do another example now. Y is inversely proportional to x. Y equals 5 and x equals 3. What does y equal when x equals 15? So we'll do y proportional 1 over x. Because it's inversely, we do 1 over x. Next step, y equals k on top over x. Is the only difference. As soon as you see the word inversely, I want you to think in your head, I remember an old vlogger once told me k on top, and you'll be fine. Y is inversely proportional to x. Y proportional to 1 over x. Y equals k over x. Y is 5 equals k over 3. Best way to do it by far, just times both these numbers and you get your answer. 5 times 3 is 15. K equals 15. Let's check that that's right. 15 over 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5, so it works. K is 15. We know that k is 15, so let's rewrite our equation. Y equals 15 over x. What does y equal when x is 15? Y equals 15 over 15, which is 1. Again, I said, if you can do direct proportion, this is going to be easy. The only difference, there is just one change, and it's this, the k on top. You're definitely capable of remembering that. Let's do one more slightly trickier example now. Y is inversely proportional to x cubed. Y equals 3 and x equals 2. What does y equal when x equals 12? Y is inversely proportional to x cubed. So y is proportional to 1 over, it says x cubed. So we're going to write down x cubed. Normally it's x, but here it says it's inversely proportional to x cubed, so we have to do x cubed. Y equals inversely proportional, so k on top x cubed. X is 2, so 2 cubed, 8. Y is 3, so 3 equals k on top of 8. To work out what k is, multiply these two numbers. 3 times 8, 24. So k equals 24. Let's check that's right. 24 divided by 8 is 3. K is going to be 24. Y equals, k is 24 over x cubed. What does y equal when x is 12? Y equals 24 over 12 cubed. And when it's something like this, absolutely use a calculator, and your answer is going to be 1 over 72. Feel free to use a calculator to do that. 1 over 72. So the main thing to remember, as soon as you see the word inversely in your head, think k on top, and you'll get this question right. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.